Alright, so let's talk about solving equations. So here are the basic 4 steps of solving equations. Firstly, you just want to simplify both sides of the equation. Move all parts of the equation that contain a variable to one side and the constants to the other side. Isolate the variable using multiplication, division, exponentiation, or by taking roots, and then check your solution. So let's have a quick example here. This is a pretty simple example. Their x's are already to one side, so all you have to do is isolate the constants, subtract 5 on both sides, and you get 2x is equal to 16. And once you have 2x, you want to isolate x here, so you want to divide 2 to get rid of this, and this becomes 1, so it becomes 1x, and it becomes 8, x is equal to 8. Let's go to a more complicated example here. We have 2 variables on both sides. You want this side to be the variables, and you want this side to be the constants. So what we want to do here is first put the variables to one side. You want to isolate this side. You want to take this side's variable out, and by doing this, 5n minus 5n is 0. So you have no variables on this side, and this side would be 4n. And it becomes the equation earlier, 4n minus 6 is equal to 18. You just want to isolate the variable again. You add constants. You get 4n is equal to 24, divided by 4, n is equal to 6. Pretty basic. Thank you.